What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today is extremely nice weather, but it's also extremely hot out there, and that's why I decided to go down in the chilly basement to do another video about another new 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. You know, I bought 10 of these 5-packs for €5 each, which is a pretty good deal at Aldi Süd here in Germany. And we go through them one by one. And today we're going to take a look at Convertible Dreams. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. Here you see all our models. Our cover car is the Mustang convertible, also here on the back. And one thing as a spoiler, all of these models are re-releases, no new versions. I mean, is this good? Is this bad? I mean, I also prefer new versions, but on the other hand, if you are a collector and are missing some of these versions, and some of them are quite old, I think, it's not that bad. So let's slide our models out and let's get started. And I would say we get started with the 2019 Volkswagen Beetle convertible in baby blue. Looks pretty nice, and has a little scratch here on the hood, but whatever. Normally I show all the versions I have of one model, and in this case I have some. So let's take a look at the other models. I have this one in orange, in white, and also in pink. I think I'm missing a yellow and a red version, unfortunately. The cool thing about this model is, I mean, you see, we always get deco on the front and deco on the back, which is quite nice, but I think they all have different license plates. So let's take a look at them. So this one is saying, I think, Kelly VW. The orange one, let's take a look, Volkswagen Life. This one's saying Pinky VW. And now our blue one. Well, can't read that. Whatever. So let's put our first model into the parking spot as we take a look at the next one, which is this guy here. This is the Baja Bandit. This is a pretty old model. I think this is nearly 20 years old. 2007. So, of course, I already mentioned it. We've seen this deco before. And there are, I don't know, I think 20 versions. I only have one other version, which is this one here. Matchbox Beach Rally 2021. Yeah. You know, generic Matchbox model like a dune buggy or something. Let's put this guy into the parking lot as we take a look at our next model, which is this guy here, the 2018 Ford Mustang convertible in silver, I would say, with the black rims. We get some deco on the back. And on the front, this one is from 2018. Don't have any other versions of this one. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's put this guy into the parking lot. Then we have this guy here. I think this is already, I'm not really sure. I think this is already the third re-release. I think this was also, I don't know, in a multi-pack before. We've seen it in a single pack, I think. And now we are seeing this one here. I mean, basically, I would say this is a pretty well executed model. We have the chrome base, we have chrome bumpers on the front and on the back. I think the red interior is pretty nice. The rims are a pretty good choice. I mean, the steering wheel, you know, it's ridiculous. But basically a nice model. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm not into these cars from the 50s, but I don't know, maybe you are. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. Another model that I don't collect. And our last one is the 2010 Mini Cooper S. I think I do have some, I don't know, 1, 2, or maybe 3 versions of this guy, but I couldn't find them. So you only see this one here. There's also, I think this model is from, let's take a look at the base, 2011. And, you know, there's a ton of versions also out there from this one. The cool thing about this version is, I think this yellow version was the first release. So if you have missed this one, this is a pretty good opportunity to get it. So yeah, that's basically it for this 5-pack. You know, normally the unboxing takes a little bit longer because I can show you some other models or tell you something else. But I mean, this 5-pack wasn't too spectacular, but not bad at all. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and in this case, I would say it's the Beetle convertible, just because I do have some other versions. And to be honest, I mean, this is definitely not my favorite type of car, but on the other hand, to be honest, I regret that I didn't buy the yellow and the red one. You know, sometimes you lose track of what you have and what you don't have, and you think, we don't buy the Beetle. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.